Very high level. These are people that I probably won't deal with in the future on an everyday basis, but they're putting me in touch with their people that my people will deal with on an everyday basis. But it's also forming that high level trust factor between our two companies.
I would say from the executive level that you're bringing in, they are definitely the caliber and the expectation of what we need. Seeing high-level R&D folks, high-level regulatory and quality folks at a VP and director level, depending on the organization.
Yeah, I think it was about the right mix. I find when you get too large, you kind of lose that discussion and dialogue there. So I do like more intimate events where there's just the same people are together for a couple of days, and that fosters a lot of good conversation.